Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys an FPS boost guide on Season 5, Chapter 2 in FORTNITE, because I know quite a lot of people have been having FPS starters ever since this new season. And yeah, basically I'll just show the steps that I know that work for me, and I use them, and I got a FPS boost. I got around like 40-50 FPS boost, like extra FPS. So I'm not sure if it will work for everybody. It's different for everybody's PC. So it might work, it might not. It might give you a lot of FPS, it might give you like no FPS. But anyway, before we begin the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, as it does help me a lot. And yeah, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's just get right into the video. Alright, so we're just going to go to the search bar right here and search up personalization. And we are going to basically go to background, and you can change yours to solid color if you want. If you guys have wallpaper engine, basically all you have to do is click this right here, and I actually just opened that, but click this, and then basically right click wallpaper engine, quit, and you're good to go. But for me, the only reason I have wallpaper engine open is because I'm recording and it makes it look better in the background, something going on. But basically, sort of personalization, and go on this, and you should make your background the solid color, the black one, as it does give you more FPS while you're playing a game. I'm not even joking. You can make use of the pitch black one or this one, doesn't matter, same thing pretty much, but it does give you like a little extra FPS because there's nothing really going on in the background. And that's the first step out of the way. So basically, next step, we're just going to search up game mode, and we're going to go game mode settings. And as you can see right here, game mode, I have it off. Some people, you can turn it off or on. I tested mine. I haven't tested it this season though, so I'm not sure if it changed, but for me it used to be off, so I might change it like after this video and see what works for me better. But it's honestly like whatever works for you. Usually it works better on, but for me it worked off, so I'm just gonna put it on, see what happens afterwards. And then you're gonna go to Xbox game bar, turn that off, nobody wants that. Then when you're done that, you're just gonna go to home right up in the top corner and click systems or system, and you're gonna go to notifications and actions and turn all of this off. We don't want that, because when you're playing a game, you don't want annoying notification pop-ups showing up, and it could tab you out of the game, which could kill you a lot, or whatever you're playing. It just could piss you off. Another thing is power and sleep. This obviously should be on never. Focus assist, this should be off, and then all of this really, I mean pretty much all of it should just be off or whatever. Just whatever you think should be better. You guys can see clipboard's off. So after that, we're just gonna go home again, and we're gonna go to update and security. And I believe I have the latest update thing. I literally just got it a couple days ago, like when I was recording a video, but I just made a new one. And this is the one that I was recording. I was gonna upload the other one, but I didn't think it was good enough, so I'm re-recording it. And basically, as you can see, it should load in a second. I do have the latest update, so make sure you are up to date constantly, because it should, as you can see. Okay, apparently I have an update, and like I literally just downloaded this 2 days ago, but apparently it's available. I'm not gonna install it right now, but basically that's it. So we're just gonna exit it there, and we're gonna search up, if you guys have NVIDIA cards like GeForce Experience should be on your PC. If you guys don't have a GeForce Experience, just search it up and download it. It's really helpful. It like lets you update your drivers. I don't think it comes with your like PC right away, so I think you get to manually install it. Basically, when we get here, we're just gonna go to drivers, and it's probably similar for like other cards like from AMD. I'm pretty sure it's similar. And as you can see, I have a new one. My latest one is this one, and this one that I just came out today. It's December 2nd, so I just saw that, and I'm just going to show you guys the process from it. So we're just going to click download, and it should download. I'm not sure how long this will take. It's 619 megabytes, so it might take a little bit for me, because my internet's pretty dog. If for some reason it's going that slow, okay, there we go, it's going faster now. And by the way, sorry if like any point in this video like the audio is not synced up. I'm recording with like GeForce Experience right now, and like I'll literally just press S or Alt Z right now, and as you can see I'm recording, but sometimes it glitches out, and like the audio will be like not like at the perfect time. So like I'll say something, and then they'll actually show that like a couple of seconds after. So sorry if it's confusing in this video though, like sorry if it's unlined up at any point in the video. Sometimes it happens and I forget to like mention in the videos, so it's probably confusing for a lot of you guys. But yeah, if that does happen, make sure you know that that's like the recording and stuff, and just try and bear with it, I guess. Alright, 2 more seconds to go and we should be good to go. And here we go, 100%, should finish any second. For some reason it's taking forever. Okay, so now I'll say preparing package. I know a lot of you probably know how to do this, but for the people who don't know how to do this is why I'm just showing this step. And plus I'd update it. I want to show this if I didn't have to update it, but you know, it's kind of worked out conveniently. So this should take a couple of seconds, and then like a little pop-up should show on your screen, and you just click yes. It hasn't yet, but I just know from experience. So you just click yes, and then it should download. But yeah, it's pretty simple, so I'm just going to show you guys as soon as it pops up, and then I'll show you guys the rest. Alright, so it says Express installation. You can do custom, I just do Express, and we're just going to click that, and it should prepare to install, and then it should just start to install. And then as you can see, NVIDIA install application. I don't think you guys can see this, maybe not, but I'm just going to click yes on that, and it should install really quickly. So yeah, I will finally catch you guys when this is fully done, and then I'll have a new driver. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when it's fully done. Alright, so my recording stopped, but the installation finished, and basically I'm just going to show you guys the next step, which is actually in the NVIDIA control panel. So now that you guys have your stuff updated, I'm going to click on the NVIDIA control panel right here. This is for NVIDIA users pretty much only, unless the AMD software is similar. I'm not sure, I've never had it before. This is the only card I've ever had. And I do plan on upgrading to a 2060 or maybe even 3060 Ti. Who knows, depends when time is right. But basically, when you're in the NVIDIA control panel, we're just going to head over to manage 3D settings, or just image settings with preview. So basically we're just going to do use my preference emphasizing, and we're just going to slide this like little thing over all the way. Yours is probably at like the middle or quality. We're just going to slide it all the way over to performance, and then when you're done that, we're just going to go to manage 3D settings at the top left, and basically just copy all my settings. I'll try and go through them as slow as possible, just to let you guys see them. So I'm just going to go through them pretty slow here. But yeah, basically just copy these down. You can pause the video like as much as you want. It's not that many settings to copy actually. As you can see, prefer max performance, high performance, like these are like the main ones you probably want, and the main ones that will affect your performance. So once we're done that, we can get out of here, and we're just going to apply that. And next, we are going to go into power options, which should lead us to edit power plan. We're just going to click on this. It should take us to a control panel, and you're going to go to power options. And as you can see, mine's on high performance. If this doesn't show up for you, just click this little arrow right here, and yours is probably unbalanced, but you can put on alternate performance if you guys have like a high-end PC. I don't really have that. I have like an i5 8400 and 1050, so I just put on high performance because I don't want to do it too bad in case it messes up something. But if you guys know that you have a good PC, make sure you put on alternate performance, and basically that's all you have to do. And after that, click change plan settings, and just put never on both these. Pretty simple. We can exit out of that. The next thing is we can go into the task manager here, and we can, why is it so small? What the hell? Okay, we're in the task manager right here. As you can see, I have so many programs running right now that I don't even know actually what these are really. I mean, like this one right here is annoying. I wish I could uninstall it, but I can't. I just hate this thing. So I'm going to end this task, and sometimes it won't end because I think it's like a malware, and I need to get it off my PC now. But basically, we're just going to go, we don't need this, we're just going to go into startup, and as you can see, these are all my stuff, and you're just going to disable. So all you do is like right click something, click disable or enable. Like I have translucent taskbar and wallpaper engine, and then ear trumpet, which is really good because if you click this sound thing right here, as you can see, it shows all your little things, and you can twist anybody you want. But anyway, when you're done that, that's pretty much all I got for you. In Fortnite, you can basically just adjust your settings to all low, and then put the NVIDIA Reflex Boost on plus boost, and then turn off your replays. That's pretty much all I remember. It's the same thing as any other season in Fortnite. But these are the tips that helped me gain a lot of FPS. I'm not even joking. So if you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, and if you guys did get at least like 20 FPS boost or like 10, make sure you leave a like because it did help you out. But yeah. I'm gonna see you guys later. Peace out.